windows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my
Look at your
friends
world.
and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
And that's resting. Let it die, let it die, let it shrivel up and die.
Well, that's a good reference. I like that.
Thank you. I love your world. I can't believe you did that all in fucking Scrabble. That's so crazy.
I think it's so neat that you guys are playing Minecraft like I did like 10 years ago. Crazy.
That's the staying power of Minecraft, man.
Is your icon fucking soccer? Or no, that's a guitar. Yeah.
I can play the You just noticed my profile picture.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring.
No, did you fall?
It will always be Christmas in my heart.
How do I?
This year I
Oh, fuck.
wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You
Someone
and
else
me,
did too. I think one of our team members did.
Christmas in my
Where's my
heart. And I
Damn
can
it.
promise Santa's
I think I ran
coming to
just
visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Ah, so close.
Oh,
Are you really?
the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Pause.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
I'm about to enter stage 3.
Hello, hello, hello! A very happy Vlogmas to you, and happy Thanksgiving as of today. Say hi, buddy. Oh my goodness. Say hello. Taking the pooch on a walk before I start prepping food for tonight. We're having a socially distanced Thanksgiving this year. No family on either side, it's just us in our new place, which is really nice. It's the first holiday that we're celebrating here, like proper holiday. Pause. Ice. ASMR. Just trying to participate in keeping everybody safe, especially trying to keep, you know, our older family members safe. And there's just a lot more to think about this year, so we're just trying to be as safe as we can. More ice for the moment. But I'm kind of extremely excited. Nick has requested that instead of turkey that we do lamb. So I'm gonna be cooking some little lamb tidbits, kebab style, but we're still having stuffing and green bean casserole and sweet potatoes and all that good stuff. Wanted to kick off this Vlogmas with what I consider the start of my holiday season, which is Thanksgiving. And usually that's the weekend that we do our Christmas decorating too. So hopefully this will be a relatable year for everybody, because it's not like we can all do a lot, and if you are doing a lot, maybe you should reevaluate your priorities a little bit. No shade, but just a thought. But I will show you the fun things that I can do safely this year, and document my puppy's first Christmas. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Forgot to mention too what I was doing earlier. Because I can't go see my brother and his foster family, I was playing some Minecraft with him for a little bit, which is something that we have loved to do together since he was like 7. He's 16 now, so that was really fun. We played some server mini games, is what they're called. I'm like such an old lady, but we played some server mini games, and I actually got second place on one of them, so that made me feel cool as hell and not like an old lady. Come on, let's go. Your girl got gussied. Yes, I did. Just for something to do, you know. Let me show you my full outfit. So we are working with one of these cute little knot headbands. I love these. Big old sweater from H&M and some Spanx leather leggings. Cause I don't know, I want to still look cute today. I really like getting dressed up for like Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter and everything like that. I know most people could give less of a shit, but I really like it. So decided to do all that, and I don't know if you'll be able to see with the lighting. Like no natural light in my house. One sec. Okay, that is a little bit better. So I did a cute little gold cut crease. Got a deep lip on. It's very fasting. Ooh, girl, blend it out. Who you think you are, Kim Kardashian? Ooh. Anyhow, I am going to start cooking. I think I'm only actually like cooking one thing because the lamb I'm just drizzling with olive oil and spices.
Shoot. Shooty shoot. What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Okay.
Are you raging?
No.
As I was saying, before I was violently interrupted, the lamb, all I'm really doing is drizzling it in olive oil and spices and then sticking it on a skewer to bake in the oven. But I am going to make a sweet potato casserole from scratch, so that'll be delicious. Let me show you what else we're gonna have. I also found this cornbread stuffing, which sounds kind of magical, as well as just a regular green bean casserole. I swear I think I grabbed the last pumpkin pie with whipped topping in the whole store last night, so go me. Also got some turkey gravy. Patty cake sounded good. Should still go good with the lamb. And of course, we're having my two staples. Cranberry jelly, not actual cranberry sauce. This is better, don't lie to yourself. As well as, oh yeah, still quite the feast we've got going on, thankfully. I think I'm gonna try and save some sweet potatoes and lamb for this little lamb. You wanna have Thanksgiving dinner too? Yeah, Thanksgiving dinner.
Are you ready?
Oh, it's going.
Oh, it's going. Alright, well, ready? 3, 2, 1, action. I just wanna be chased. I'm a puppy with a volcano in my mouth, and I wanna be chased. Juke. Down the river, stoke the fires.
Alright, I'm going to be making Six Sisters stuffed sweet potato casserole. I think I have everything that I need. Let's see. 6 sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed. Well, I have 6 sweet potatoes, but they are neither peeled nor cubed. So, step number 1, I guess.
If you had to describe our dog in 3 words, what would it be?
If I could describe Stetson in 3 words, what would it be?
Yep.
Sweet. Driven.
True.
And goofy.
Goofy. Those are good.
Sweet, driven, and goofy. What would you say?
Jumpy.
Jumpy.
Full jumpy.
Whether he's jumping up on you or whether he gets scared.
In multiple senses of the word.
No jumping bean.
Lovable.
Lovable. He's very lovable.
He likes loving up on people and likes receiving it as well.
Agree with that?
And just so goddamn adorable.
He's pretty cute.
That's the word I would use, is adorable.
It's pretty stupid how cute he is.
Just jazz.
Some jazz. I love it.
It's not quite Christmas music, but
But it's also not quite Christmas.
exactly.
It's Vlogmas. That's not Christmas yet. Alright, I'm gonna get washing these puppies. Come with me.
Make your makeup.
Yeah.
That's really cool, actually.
Yeah, you like the gold sparkle?
Yeah, that's cool. I dig it.
Festive. Thank you. Sweet, I love you. Meanwhile, while this is boiling, I'm gonna put together the maple topping, which sounds so good. It's brown sugar, flour, pecans, and butter. And that is a cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of pecans, pecans, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. No! Oh no!
What?
You just ate a whole cube of brown sugar.
Oh
Uh-oh.
my. Energy.
Energy, puppy. Oh, no. Stetson, don't you dare.
Can I help you?
You want a sweet cup.
Well, that's any of much sugar as you want tonight.
It's a special night.
It's a special one. Maybe you'll crash before bed.
That'd be incredible. Question.
What's that?
Do you want marshmallows too or not?
My family usually doesn't, but what the fuck?
I don't know what that was.
That was rude. That's what that was. No, I don't care.
Do you want them or not? Because I'm indifferent.
I'm also indifferent, so
Oh dear.
let's flip a coin, I guess.
Flip a coin?
Sure.
Okay. You want to call it or me?
You call it.
Okay. Tails.
Tails what? We put marshmallows on?
Yeah.
Tails.
No shit. Cool.
Inhaling sweet potato fumes.
Wait. I didn't grease it! Oh! Shoot!
You can have these. If you can, I'll give you some.
Alright, the beautiful cranberry jelly has been plated. And I've just seasoned the lamb, getting it ready to get skewed. I just did olive oil, rosemary, some allspice, garlic, salt, onion powder, salt, and I already said salt, and a black pepper. Alrighty, everything is in and cooking. So I'm gonna get cooking the baby's food so it can cool down enough to be edible by the time we're eating. Now, Stetson has whole food like this for dinner every day, but what I do is the crock pot method for his food. That's it right there, where I just throw a bunch of shit in and then heat it back up for him later. So while he could literally eat all of this as is, that from my knowledge is fine, he's never had not cooked whole foods, so I just feel more comfortable cooking it for him. So I'm gonna get on that. A meal fit for a king. Wouldn't you say, my love?
Absolutely.
Puppy.
We're a brains.
Puppy.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? That's a good sit. Come on, squeak. You know what to do. Good boy.
Alright. Stetson, on behalf of our family, thank you for being here tonight.
Oh man, is that good? Good boy. Happy first Thanksgiving, little puppy. Okay, everybody, we're gonna go load up our plates and enjoy the rest of our holiday. Thanks for coming and cooking with us.
Yes, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye!
That's right.